Hey, how you doing? No, my name's not Elmer. I'm the Lawnmower Lady, and I like fixing small engines. Today's quick tip video is how not to make such a mess when you're changing the oil on a horizontal shaft engine. These are real common on pressure washers, generators, and hey, chipper shredders. Please push the like and subscribe button, and I can make more of these videos. Okay, so here's a quick tip on how to change the oil without making a big ugly mess on one of these horizontal shaft engines. This is very similar on Briggs & Stratton, all kinds of engines. But if you look on the plug filler side, which is the, you see the yellow plug right there, there is a square-headed hole right there, which will drain oil all over your deck and make a big mess. So let's go to the other side. There's another one on the other side. As you can see, there's another similar plug right there, and then a big hole in the deck, so the oil will drain through the plug. I've already drained this out. But the trick that I use here is I use just a regular socket extension. The square end fits right on the square end of that plug, and then I use an open-ended wrench to loosen that plug up. You have plenty of clearance at that point. You're not like fighting, trying to get a tool up under bits and parts or engine parts and whatnot. Just makes it pretty easy. All right, so there you have it. Quick tip. Don't make a mess when you're changing that oil on that horizontal shaft engine. Remember, I'm the Lawnmower Lady, and as I like to say, mow happy. Thanks for watching.